How to enable dark mode on your TradingView.com chart. If you like the contents and want to see more tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. There are many reasons of why you should enable dark mode, or dark mode is useful for you, especially at night when there's not too much light around and you wanted to see and distinguish the colors better without you or your eyes straining too much from the very bright white layout of the chart. So in this tutorial I will tell you exactly how to do that. First off, without further ado, go to your browser and then head to TradingView.com and then go to the chart from the tab menu, and from there you can click the third three stripes hamburger button. From there, as you can see that I am viewing a PL stock right now, and then I'll just choose dark color theme. I tick it on, and voila, your dark mode should be presented to you and you can see it now better, especially at low lights or at night. Pretty much the tutorial. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us to cover on Tech Tricks, and please put your comments down below. I hope it helps. Cheers, YouTube.